I'm going to walk you through the Sage Paperless system today. This can connect to your 100 Contractor, 300 CRE, and even your Intacct system. So for those of you teams who are used to getting invoices via snail mail, maybe email, printing those out, scanning those back in, putting those in a OneDrive or SharePoint folder, and pushing those things back and forth through these different places, or even having manila folders on your desk that you're passing back and forth, the paperless system will automatically ingest invoices or documents for you, so you're not having to do that manual steps. Now, the system can watch an email account or multiple, and again, auto pull those invoices in. So as they come in throughout the day, they're going to go into what we call a queue in paperless. Now, from an AP processing standpoint, invoices come in. I need to start processing those invoices. You can see here over in our AP flow tab, we have our invoice entry, and this is going to be the home base for AP processors. And this is really where the entire process is going to kick off. So you can see my queue here. I have a list of invoices that have come in, whether I manually uploaded those, drag and drop, or again, auto ingest. That gets you sent to the next key component, is the AI OCR kicking in and reading these invoices for you. So that's going to eliminate the manual entry, the errors, and make sure it's pulling all the right information for you. So you can code out invoices in paperless a few different ways. If you don't want to do OCR, you can code invoices out manually. If you add OCR, you can have the OCR capture your header information of your invoices and process appropriately. Or you can even have OCR grab the line detail. And so you have multiple options there. But from an AP perspective, when I come in for the day, I want to process this invoice. I simply select my invoice and click my new invoice button. Now this is going to pull up a couple screens for us. First and foremost, the OCR found a purchase order on this invoice, and it automatically ran a search into our 100 Contractor, 300 CRE, or Intacct database for a match. In this case, the system found a match in Sage, and we can grab the line item we want to invoice against appropriately. Now, just also like Jacob mentioned, these fields that we're seeing here are just going to mimic your system. Again, whether it's 100, 300, or Intacct, these fields are pulling over directly from those systems. Now, we also have this document pop out, which I don't think it's sharing on my screen, but I clicked that little button there right here, and it popped out my document for me. This is a dynamic window. You just leave that open, and as you go through your invoices, that image will change for you, keeping you from having to go back and forth with things. But at this point, from a processor standpoint, I'm simply reviewing the information on this screen versus the image of my invoice. And from here, I can go approve or route this invoice.